Okay. Wow. We've had a little bit of trouble getting here today. You may have seen my message. Oops, we forgot to turn the phone off. That um, we're going to ignore the phone. We forgot to unplug it. We had power out all morning, just came on about an hour ago, and we didn't think about it knocking our internet out as well. So that's why I'm a few minutes late today, and I'm sorry if I missed you. Hope you'll catch it on the replay. Anyway, I'm Jackie Schwartz with Planet Einstein Digital Learning Lab. And today we're going to spend just a few minutes talking about, are you making it easy for your customers to find you on all your social media platforms? Facebook, most importantly. Can they find you on your Facebook page? Can they find you on your LinkedIn profile? Or any place else that you post? I have to confess, I did a little cyber snooping in my group and checked out whether or not I could find their phone number, their email address, or any way at all to get in touch with them if I were a customer who wanted to buy from them. Were they making it easy for me? So that's what we'll be talking about today. So I called somebody that ended up being this lead for her and said, I'm going to send you some things that I think you'll be interested in, and I need to email them to you right away. And I'll do that right now. And we hung up. And so I went to my email and I couldn't find, this was when power came back on. I found Julia's email address. No, I couldn't find Julia's email address. So I started Googling, okay, I'll go to her Facebook page. It'll be on there. It wasn't, Julia. I'm sorry. I'm calling you out here. This is what we're going to talk about today. Make it easy for your customers to find you, especially if you're local, and people will probably know you locally by just your name, not necessarily your business name. For example, people don't really know that I am the owner of Planet Einstein Digital Learning Lab, but they are most likely to know Jackie Schwartz because I do a lot of networking and a lot of social media marketing, but they may not remember the name of my company. So on my personal profile, not your business page yet, so on your personal profile, be sure that you have a connection for contacting you. And let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to enter full screen here and share. Here we go. And I want to bring up, hang on one second, my Facebook page. And here it is. I have works at Planet Einstein. This is my personal profile. This is the live that I sent out this morning saying, oh my gosh, we have no power. We're down. And then I shared it with my business page and my group. So again, when something happens that people need to get in touch with you, make it easy. So if they click right here on Works at Planet Einstein, then that takes them to my Planet Einstein page. I need to update that because I need to take them to Planet Einstein Digital Learning Lab, which is my main page now that we are primarily offering online courses. So I would go to my business page and update the information on my personal profile to take them to this link. And then here is where, see this column over here on the left? And this is what I looked at on everybody's business page in my group. And I have to tell you, guys, you need to work on this because Facebook optimizes your business page by lots of different criteria. One of them is, do you have all of these things filled out, particularly your about section? If you didn't see what I just did there, let me point it out again. I clicked on my about section and it brought up this page, which you should have completely filled out, every single thing in there. And all you have to do is click on that edit button out at the end of the row for that particular row and fill it out. Feed all your information in there, including what are your hours, what is your phone number, here's the contact information section, what is your messenger address, what is your email address. Okay, Julia, did you hear that? And on. But even into more info, this is how your customers get a feel for who your business is, what you do, and then if they decide, yeah, I want to get in touch with this company, then they have a whole lot of different ways of doing that. Make it easy for your customers to get in touch with you. And one other thing I wanted to share with you today, and let me go up here. If you have more than one business page, guys, this link right here in the blue bar all the way at the end is where you find the group. For example, I have Planet Einstein Media. I have Planet Einstein actually for kids. Planet Einstein Digital Learning Lab. And that's where you click to go back and forth to each other. So I was talking to a lady last night who, by the way, Rochelle, if you're on here, welcome to the course. I am thrilled that you're going to be joining me and can hardly wait. I know one other person who's in the group said, you know, let's get this party going. So we have a week and a half. And because I was down this morning, I think I started to tell you this and then got distracted and sidetracked. My mind, you know, it would be scary to see the inside of my brain. Here's what I was going to tell you that's really, really important. If you still are thinking about signing up for the course, this is your lucky day because my power went down. I didn't get on my course site to change the price today. So I'm giving you one more day of the discounted price. And the link to get in there is at the top of this video, or on the replay, it may be at the bottom. So look both places. The discount is saving you $174. So the price of the course only good for today through the end of the day today. Click on it, get in today and save $174 and become a marketing wizard on social media marketing. I'm not offering a guarantee of that, and here's why. Because you have to do the work. If you don't do the work, it really isn't magic. It doesn't just come into you through your pores or by osmosis. You have to put in the work to make it happen. But I am here every single step of the way on the course, on the Q&A that we're going to have every single week, in the group that you'll be a member of, a private group just for the Moneyball tribe, or all the people who are in the course. And I'm not going to let you fail. The only way you can fail is if you don't do it. So if you are a business owner, a nonprofit, a marketer who does some work for someone else, learn how to do it right, and you will get phenomenal success that will literally blow your mind. I have a new ad running right now for the course. Now that I know how to make Facebook ads work, I am getting the most amazing results, and you can do this too. I am not, you know my story, or at least most of you do. I was a social media marketing dummy. I didn't know how to use my smartphone. A friend of mine said, send me a text and da da da. And I said, I don't know how to text. Baby, I've come a long way. It took me 5 years to get here, and it won't take you that long. You can do it in 5 weeks. So that's my pitch. Totally up to you. It's your decision if you want to grow or if you're happy staying right where you are. You know, that's your call. And we're going to end a little early today because I think I got everything in I wanted to cover. So thanks for being with me today. Please join me again next Thursday for Facebook Live with Jackie on Planet Einstein Digital Learning Lab Facebook page. And sign up for my course. You owe it to yourself. You deserve this. See ya. Bye-bye.